Alright, in chapter 5, we're going to talk about some rates and ratios in the first two sections. So the first section is ratios. So a ratio is a quotient. And remember, quotient means a division problem. It's the answer to a division problem. So it's a quotient of two quantities in simplest form, meaning we must always simplify. Three ways to write a ratio are some number A, the word 2, to some number B, so A to B. We can write it with a colon, so A to B, or as a fraction A to B. Typically you'll see most of them written as fractions, but know that there are three different ways to write a ratio, and again, in simplest form, meaning we must always simplify, reduce, okay? Alright, a road construction crew has a lot of different arrow signs. Write a ratio in simplest form. Right arrows, the word 2, all signs. So I count my right arrows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I count all my signs. That includes the right arrows. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 6 to 12, we must simplify. 1 to 2 would be my final answer. Basically what this is saying is I have one right arrow to 2 signs. Write a ratio of smiley faces, the word 2, hearts. So smiley faces we count 1, 2, and 3. Hearts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this one was 3 to 5 because it was comparing the smiley faces to the hearts, not everything together. Let's talk about rates now. So a rate is a ratio of two quantities having different kinds of units. So like 60 characters, 30 seconds if you're texting or typing. Beats per minute for your heart rate. Like how many beats per minute does your heart beat? How many miles per hour can you drive? Those are all examples of rates. Now, when we simplify a rate so that the denominator is 1, so when we have a denominator of 1, we call it a unit rate, because 1 is a unit. So a unit rate. And then to figure the unit rate out, you just divide the numerator by the denominator. So, for example, write the rate that compares cost to the number of boxes, and that word 2 again. So the cost would be $11 to 4 boxes. And then we figure out that cost is a unit rate, so we would take 11 divided by 4, and we would get $2.75 per box. So that's the unit rate. Unit rate. So for every 1 box, it's $2.75. 400 miles on 14 gallons of gas. Write a rate that compares the number of miles to number of gallons. So the number of miles was 400, so 400 over 14. So 400 miles, 14 gallons. And then we take the numerator divided by the denominator. And it says round to the nearest tenth if necessary. Now, I wouldn't have rounded, honestly, the first one, only because we're talking about money and it's $2.75. In this case, I could round to the nearest tenth because I get 28.57142.857. So we're going to round to the nearest tenth, which is going to be 28.6, and this is 28.6 miles per gallon. And don't forget to label. You need to label.